Question number 1. The scientist who showed that magnetic field can be converted into electric field is, the answer is option C, Michael Faraday. Question number 2. Name the device used to detect and measure electric current. The answer is option B, galvanometer. Question number 3. What happens to the strength of induced or current when the number of turns of the coil is increased? The answer is option A. The strength of the induced current also increases. Question number 4. Diode was invented by. The answer is option A. J. A. Fleming. Question number 5. In dynamo, armature is. The answer is option B. Oil along with the rings. Question number 6. Which is the device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? The answer is option A, dynamo. Question number 7. The current that flows in only one direction is. The answer is option A, direct current. Question number 8. Alternative current that flows. The answer is option C, changes periodically. Question number 9. Split ring is found in. The answer is option A, electric motor. Question number 10. The name given to the magnet used in dynamo. The answer is option A, field magnet. Question number 11. What kind of electric current is supplied to homes? The answer is option C, alternative current. Question number 12. Electric bell armature is used. The answer is option A, soft iron. Question number 13. The nature of a couple is. The answer is option A, tends to rotate the body. Question number 14. Cycle dynamo is A. The answer is option B, DC dynamo. Question number 15. DC motor dynamo speed is increased by increasing. The answer is option B, magnetic field. Question number 16. The frequency of AC supplied to our home. The answer is option C, 30 Hz. Question number 17. Electromagnet is. The answer is option A, stronger than a permanent magnet. Question number 18. Fleming's left hand rule. The forefinger indicates. The answer is option C, the direction of magnetic field. Question number 19. The galvanometer is a device used to measure. The answer is option A, electric current. Question number 20. The rectangular coil of a insulated copper wire along with the two copper rings is called. The answer is option C, armature. Question number 21. Which one of the following doesn't employ an electric motion in it? The answer is option A, dynamo. Question number 22. Radio communication was demonstrated by. The answer is option B, J.C. Maxwell. Question number 23. Electromagnetic waves whose frequencies are higher than X-rays are called. The answer is option B, gamma rays. Question number 24. Electric cell is a device to convert. The answer is option B, light energy into electrical energy. Question number 25. Varying magnetic field produces. The answer is option D, current. Question number 26. The waves produced by alternative electric and magnetic field are called. The answer is option D, electromagnetic waves. Question number 27. The rays that are used as efficient sterilizers are. The answer is option B, radio waves. Question number 28. Gems can be distinguished into real or artificial using. The answer is option B, visible light. Question number 29. The distance between the two objects found accurately using. The answer is option B, laser ranging. Question number 30. The technique which helps in taking complete three-dimensional images of a given object is called. The answer is option C, Holography. Question number 31. Bloodless surgery is to save. The answer is option C, eyesight. Question number 32. Laser Raman spectroscopy is used to understand the answer is option A, molecular structure of a material. Question number 33. The most energetic of all electromagnetic radiations are. The answer is option C, gamma rays. Question number 34. What is the technique of studying an object using its X-rays photograph called? The answer is option B, radiography. Question number 35. What is the technique of studying? Question number 36. Laser light is. The answer is option C, monochromatic. Question number 37. Ultraviolet rays are used in. The answer is option A. It is useful in geology and mineralogy. Question number 38. Organ of the word electrons is derived from the word. The answer is option A, electron. Question number 39. What is electric current? The answer is option A, flow of electrons. Question number 40. Who is the inventor of telegraph? The answer is option A, Marconi. Question number 41. Junction potentials of silicon is. The answer is option B, 0.7 volts. Question number 42. Which is the anode in a diode? The answer is option A, P side. Question number 43. Name any one pentavalent impurities. The answer is option D, antimony. Question number 44. Name of any one trivalent impurities. The answer is option D, aluminium. Question number 45. Boron is a. The answer is option D, dopant. Question number 46. Which of the following is an electronic device? The answer is option D, TV. Question number 47. The middle portion of a transistor. The answer is option C, base. Question number 48. Electronically, electrons are particles. The answer is option C, negatively charged. Question number 49. Name one of pentavalent impurities. The answer is option A, antimony. Question number 50. Name one tetravalent impurity. The answer is option B, boron. Question number 51. The function of three region of transistors is. The answer is option D, collects the charge from the base. Question number 52. Which are the two kinds of semiconductor? Question number D. The answer is option D, NP type. Question number 53. Which are the majority charge carries N-type semiconductors? The answer is option A, electrons. Question number 54. What is the process of increasing the strength of a signal called? The answer is option B, amplification. Question number 55. A body moves along a straight line. The answer is option A, if the net force on it is 0. Question number 56. The equation for the force acting on a body dash where m is. The answer is option B, radius. Question number 57. Centrifugal is device to. The answer is option A, separate minute particles of different densities. Question number 58. The speed of the engine can be controlled by an automatic device called. The answer is option B, centrifugal governor. Question number 59. What is the force that keeps a body along a circular path called? The answer is option C, uniform circular motion. Question number 60. A device which dries clothes and other material is. The answer is option C, drying machine. Question number 61. Gravitational force means. The answer is option A, A force of attraction between two bodies. Question number 62. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The answer is option C, Newton's third law of motion. Question number 63. The passengers sitting in a car moving fast along a curve feel pushed outwards due to. The answer is option B, inertia of rotational motion. Question number 64. Governor was devised by. The answer is option A, James. Question number 65. A runner while taking a sharp bend leans inwards. The answer is option C, to obtain centripetal force. Question number 66. In railway tracks, the outer rail in a curve is raised a little above the inner because to. The answer is option A, prevent the chances of train going off the track. Question number 67. Which is the device where centrifugal pumps are used? The answer is option D. Option D, blowers and exhaust fans. Question number 68. In a curved railway track, the outer rail is raised a little above the inner rail. This reduces. The answer is option B, wear and tear. Question number 69. Planets move in elliptical orbits around the Sun, with the Sun at one focus is Kepler's. The answer is option C, first law of planetary motion. Question number 70. In the equation G equals Gm power E divided by R power E refers to. The answer is option C, gravitation constant. Question number 71. Weight is a. The answer is option C, downward force. Question number 72. Deviations in the orbit of Uranus led to the discovery of. The answer is option D, Neptune. Question number 73. Discovery of planet Pluto in 1930 is by smaller deviation of. The answer is option D, Neptune. Question number 74. Weightless refers to. The answer is option C, no reaction on the occupant. Question number 75. Example for weightlessness feels by a person. The answer is option D, standing in a falling lift. Question number 76. The scientist who examined the motion of celestial bodies is. The answer is option D, Sir Isaac Newton. Question number 77. Discovery of Neptune was in the. The answer is option A, 19th century. Question number 78. Equation for the weight of the body. The answer is option A, W equals m into g. Question number 79. The person who discovered Pluto. The answer is option B, Clyde Tomb. Question number 80. The person who discovered Neptune. The answer is option C, John Gale. Question number 81. One of the applications of Kepler's third law is. The answer is option A, the distance of a planet from the Sun. Question number 82. Law of gravitation is called universal law because the law is valid for. The answer is option D, small and large masses and distances. Question number 83. What happens to the gravitational force between two bodies when the distance between them is doubled? The answer is option C, decreases 4 times. Question number 84. In which part of the earth is the radius of the earth higher? The answer is option A, near the equator. Question number 85. What is the shape of the orbit of a planet around the Sun? The answer is option D, elliptical. Question number 86. Discovery of Pluto in the year. The answer is option B, 1930. Question number 87. The value of G varies from place to place on the Earth. Depends on the answer is option C, radius of the Earth. G means gravitation. Question number 88. The force of gravity between two bodies depends on. The answer is option B, the masses of bodies. Question number 89. Every object on the surface of the Earth is attracted by the Earth towards its. The answer is option B, center. Question number 90. The scientist who proposed the universal law of gravitation is. The answer is option D, Isaac Newton. Question number 91. Smaller deviation of the orbit of this planet led to the discovery of Neptune. The answer is option A, Uranus. Question number 92. Momentum is the product of. The answer is option C, mass and velocity. Question number 93. The advent of television and internet shows the impact of. The answer is option D, satellite. Question number 94. Space vehicles are those which escape from the. The answer is option D, Earth. Question number 95. ISRO was started in. The answer is option D, 1969. Question number 96. Mention the pioneer in the field of rocketry. The answer is option B, Robert Goddard, USA. Question number 97. While launching a rocket, the acceleration due to gravity. The answer is option B, changes continuously. Question number 98. As the rocket consumes fuel at every instant, its mass goes on. The answer is option A, decreasing. Question number 99. Expand form of SLV is. The answer is option C, satellite launch vehicle. Question number 100. Satellite INSAT 3A was put into orbit on. The answer is option D, 19th April 2003. Question number 101. The geostationary satellite placed at an altitude of. The answer is option A, 36,000 km. Question number 102. Both fuel and oxidant mixed in a right proportion are called. The answer is option C, propellants. Question number 103. The scientific instrument or the satellite which is usually placed in the front portion of the rocket is called. The answer is option C, payload. Question number 104. Bhaskara went into orbit. The answer is option B, 1979. Question number 105. Master control facility is at. The answer is option A, Hassan. Question number 106. The 27-ton INSAT 3E has an operational lifetime of. The answer is option B, 15 years. Question number 107. The velocity of the body along the circular path is called. The answer is option B, orbital velocity. Question number 108. The principle or rocket coincides with the newtons. The answer is option C, third law. Question number 109. Heat engine is a device which converts heat into useful. The answer is option B, mechanical energy. Question number 110. One of the characteristic of petrol engine is. The answer is Option D. Efficiency is comparatively low. Question number 111. One of the characteristics of diesel engine is. The answer is option D. Efficiency is comparatively more. Question number 112. The heat contents of a body means. The answer is option A. Sum of all kinetic energies. Question number 113. Modern steam engine was invented by. The answer is option C. James Watt. Question number 114. Fruit juice can be cooled by adding. The answer is option D. A piece of ice. Question number 115. Commercially successful steam engine was contributed by. The answer is option C. Thomas Savery. Question number 116. For what purpose were the heat engines used in olden days? The answer is option C. Lift water from the well.